Hello and welcome. In the previous videos, we learned about exponents and laws of exponents. Now in this video, we will solve sums related to exponents and laws of exponents. This session is divided into two. Please do watch both the videos.
Let us see how to solve sums on exponents. First question. Find the value of 4 raised to the power 4. Here 4 is the base and 4 is the exponent. That means the base 4 has to be multiplied 4 times. This expression will be equal to 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 times 4 is 16. 16 multiplied by 16 gives us 256. Let's see the second question. 7 cube. That means 7, which is the base, has to be multiplied 3 times. This is equal to 7 times 7 is 49 times 7. It is equal to 343. Let us now look at the second question. Evaluate. First question in that 2 cube multiplied by 5 square, which means 2 cube means 2 multiplied 3 times, times 5 square means 5 multiplied 2 times. This is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 is 8 times 5 times 5 is 25. This is equal to 8 times 25 is 200. Now let's look at the second question. We have base as 4 times 3 and the exponent is 3. So we can write this as 4 cube multiplied with 3 cube. This is equal to 4 cube can be written as 4 times 4 times 4, and 3 cube can be written as 3 times 3 times 3. This is equal to 4 times 4 times 4 is 64 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. This is equal to 64 times 27 is equal to 1728. Now let's look at the third question. Evaluate. We have the expression minus 2 by 3 the whole raised to the power 4. This expression is equal to base is minus 2 by 3, which has to be multiplied 4 times. This expression is equal to, in the numerator we have minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2, this whole divided by, in the denominator we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is equal to, look at the numerator, we have minus 2 multiplied 4 times. Your negative number is multiplied 4 times, that is even number of times, so the answer will be positive. So minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 is 16 divided by denominator we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. When we multiply this, we get the answer as 81. So this answer for this expression minus 2 by 3 the whole raised to the power 4 is 16 by 81. Next, let us look at the fourth question. Evaluate. Minus 3 by 4 whole raised to the power 3 times 2 by 3 whole raised to the power 4. This expression can be written as minus 3 by 4 cube, means we will multiply minus 3 by 4 3 times. And 2 by 3 raised to the power 4 means 2 by 3 we will multiply 4 times. This expression is equal to, now minus 3 in the numerator times minus 3 times minus 3 whole divided by 4 times 4 times 4 times. Now here we have in the numerator 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 whole divided by 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. This expression is equal to, in the numerator we have minus 3 multiplied 3 times, so that is equal to minus 27 divided by 4 multiplied 3 times, so that gives us 64 times. Here 2 multiplied 4 times, that gives us 16, and in the denominator 3 multiplied 4 times gives us 81. This is equal to, let's cancel the common factors. 9 times 3 gives us 27. 9 times 9 gives us 81. Again we can cancel the common factors. 3 times 1 gives 3. 3 times 3 gives 9. And we also see that 16 times 1 is 16 and 16 times 4 is 64. So this expression is equal to minus 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator 4 times 3 gives us 12. So the answer is minus 1 by 12. Let us look at the fifth question. Which is greater, 2 raised to the power 5 or 5 square? So let's see. 2 raised to the power 5 we can write as 2 multiplied 5 times. And the value of this is 32. And 5 square is 5 multiplied 2 times. The answer is 25. When you compare 32 and 25, we see that 32 is greater than 25. This implies that 32 is nothing but 2 raised to the power 5. So 2 raised to the power 5 is greater than 25 is nothing but 5 square. 5 square. So the answer is 2 raised to the power 5 greater than 5 square. Let's look at the sixth question. Express 1350 in exponential form. So first we need to write 1350 as product of prime factors. For that we will be using prime factorization method. So let's do the prime factorization for 1350. So the first prime number that we are going to use here is 2, because 1350 is an even number. So 2 times 675 gives us 1350. This divided by, now we see 675 is not an even number, so the next prime factor that we are going to take here will be 3. So 3 times 225 gives us 675. Let's divide again. Again we can divide by 3, so 3 times 75 gives us 225. Let's divide again. 3 times 25 gives 75. Next, 25 is not divisible by 3, so the next prime number is 5. So let's divide by 5, and 25 is divisible by 5. So 5 5s are 25, and then 5 times 1 gives us 5. So therefore we can write 1350 as using these prime factors. So 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5. Now this expression we are going to write in exponential form. We see here 2 is multiplied only once, so you can write 2 raised to the power 1, or you can even skip 1 there. You can write just 2 times 3 is multiplied 3 times, so 3 cube times, and 5 is multiplied 2 times, so 5 square. So 1350 can be written in exponential form as 2 raised to the power 1 times 3 cube times 5 squared.
Thank you for watching. Practice the sums given in the worksheet. Happy learning.